Hi friends, this is SP Zavalkar from Creative English School, Beard Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, we are learning mathematics of standard 8 and the name of the chapter is discount and commission. Name of the chapter is discount and commission. We have already taken the introductory part and we have cleared the concept of percent. But today we have to clear the concept of discount. In the simple words, I'll explain you. Suppose MRP of juice. You like to drink juice, no? It's a mango juice, pineapple juice. So there is one bottle is there. And if MRP is written on it 100 rupees. Mean mark price is 100 rupees. Shopkeeper offered the discount of 10%. Mean Nipun, what will be the actual cost of that bottle then?
200 rupees. 200 rupees.
No, actually MRP is 100 rupees and discount offered is 10%. So what will be the actual price?
100 rupees.
Still,
After 10% discount, 90 rupees.
that is what selling price is 90 rupees. Very good. So we are learning by committing the mistakes and we improve. It happens in every student's life. So again, I am citing the next example. If MRP is 200, MRP is 200 rupees and discount is 10%. For first 100, 10 rupees. Next 100, 10 rupees. Mean total discount is 20 rupees. So what will be its selling price?
180 rupees.
180 rupees. Okay. So this is very clear for you now. Now children, here I have given one chart. There it is written sale in month June and July. CP means cost price of a saree. SP means selling price of a saree. And profit on each saree and number of sarees sold and total profit in that concerned month, in the month of June or in the month of July. So how it is to be done? Cost of one saree is 200 rupees. But CP, cost price is 200 rupees. But shopkeeper sold it at what cost? Nipun?
50 rupees.
Oh,
250 rupees.
250 rupees. Okay, good. And profit, directly you told the profit. So 200 का था 250 में बेचा, मतलब ज्यादा कॉस्ट में बेचा है, तो 50 rupees is profit. And in that month 40 sarees are sold. Mean profit on one saree is 50 and number of sarees sold 40. So how much profit, how we have calculated the profit? SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit means selling price minus cost price. 250 minus 200 becomes the 50 rupees. 250 minus 200 becomes 50 rupees. So 50 rupees profit and number of sarees sold 40. So we have to multiply this and that goes to 2000. So profit in that month is 2000. Okay, in the same manner, in the month of July, cost price of each saree 200, same. But in this month, selling price is reduced by shopkeeper. So it is 230. So how much profit we got? CP was 200 and SP is 230. So how much is profit?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. Well, now you are doing well. So 30 rupees is profit on one saree. How many sarees are sold? 100
sarees.
So 30 multiplied by 100, that goes to 3000. Okay, so again we have to learn. So in this manner, you have cleared the concept of discount or profit. So now here MRP of a book, MRP of a book is 360 and shopkeeper sold it at the 306 rupees. जब MRP 360 है और सेलिंग प्राइस 306 है, मतलब MRP ज्यादा है और सेलिंग प्राइस कम है, मतलब here he has given the some discount 360 minus 306, so 54 rupees net discount he has given. But we have to calculate discount in percent. There is a formula. That formula is discount upon MRP means mark price equal to, when we have to calculate the discount in percent, mean write the 100 at denominator side and discount in percent should be at the numerator side. By putting these values, 54 is the total discount, 360 equal to EX we have to calculate 100 as it is. So EX equal to 54 upon 360 into 100. So this 0 get cancel, this 0 get cancel, means 0 of 360 and 0 of 100. Again divided by 18. 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. So again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Here left only 3 and 5. So multiply 3 and 5, 3 5s are 15. Mean discount in percent we got 15. So friends, in this manner we have beautifully learned how to calculate total discount and discount in percent. Thank you and have a nice and great day.